Insta360 has built the most versatile lineup of cameras on the market. And if you are looking for the camera that can follow you literally anywhere, from your office desk to high mountains trail, underwater, reefs, morning runs, weekend, games, or long-distance flights, then you're in the right place. And that's exactly what makes these cameras so special. They are designed for real life, real adventures, and real stories. And since Insta360 is running a big sales campaign right now, it's honestly the perfect moment to get a new camera for yourself, for your friends, or for your family for the upcoming holidays. Plus, with my promo code, you will get a free pack of replaceable lenses for the Insta360 X5 and X4 Air, or if you pick up the Ace Pro 2 or Go Ultra, you will also get a free mic Air. And stay tuned, because in just a few days I'll be releasing my long-awaited tech travel episode from my recent trip where you will see all of these cameras in real-life scenarios. It's going to be the best demonstration yet of what these devices and some other can do. Let's start with the king, the Insta360 X5. This camera that does everything and goes everywhere. Day or night, rain or shine, the X5 is always ready, and that's why it's the one camera that stays permanently in my backpack. It's incredibly reliable, and no matter where I travel, I know I can pull it out and immediately get a great shot. Features like Instaframe, adaptive tone, and the new portrait modes make the X5 far more than just a 360 camera. Instaframe lets you reframe your footage in any direction later, so you never miss a moment. Adaptive tone keeps the image balanced even when moving between bright and dark areas. And the portrait mode make personal shots look cleaner and more natural. During my latest trip, I realized that almost 30% of all my footage came from the X5 alone. It's that flexible, that quick to use, and honestly one of the most fun cameras for capturing spontaneous moments. You just hit the record and know you'll get something cinematic. Next, the powerhouse, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. This camera is a tank, tough, dependable, and co-engineered with Leica for truly impressive image quality. Whether you are shooting in bright sunlight, low-light streets, or a shaded forest, the Ace Pro 2 delivers clear, rich footage without overthinking your settings. And underwater, the thing is a star. Out of all the action cameras I've tested, the Ace Pro 2 gives me the sharpest and cleanest underwater footage, with colors that actually hold up. Add the new photography grip and the macro lenses, the pocket printer, and the Ace Pro 2 becomes a full creative kit rather than just a camera. Once I mounted it on the Explorer grip, it basically lived there, always ready, always stable, and ready to capture any moment without hesitation. Now, let's talk about the newest member of the family, the Insta360 Go Ultra. If you haven't watched my latest video where I compared to the Action 6, you absolutely should. The Go Ultra may be tiny, but it's unbelievably powerful. It has endless possibilities when it comes to mounting and capturing shots that are impossible for bigger cameras. If you run, bike, swim, fly drones, or just love documenting movement, this camera is made for you. Despite its size, the main camera lasts more than 1 hour. It also supports Apple Find Me, so you basically cannot lose it, even if it pops off during a run. It has incredible horizon lock and stabilization, which is lifesaver when you are in motion. This camera stays on my desk all the time, and whenever I go out for a run, especially to explore new areas, I take it with me. It's so small that you can drop it in your pocket, clip it anywhere, and forget it's even there. And now the smallest of them all, the Insta360 Go 3S. If you ever need to film discreetly or record moments without carrying anything bulky, this is the one. The size and weight are so minimal that honestly nothing else on the market comes close. It has built-in memory, rock-solid stabilization, and it excels for daytime shots. I used it a lot while training for my recent half marathon, because it allowed me to review my running form and pacing afterward. Sometimes your memory of a run isn't clear, but when you watch the footage, you suddenly notice where you slowed down or where you could have pushed a bit harder. It's an amazing training companion and brilliant little camera for everyday life. Of course, Insta360 makes more professional tools too. Cameras designed for studios, offices, VR, production, and cinematic workflows. But for regular users, creators, travelers, athletes, and families, these 4 cameras are the absolute best options right now. From the all-around X5 to the rugged and premium Ace Pro 2 to the ultra-creative Go Ultra and finally the discreet Go 3S, there is something here for every type of user and every type of adventure. I hope this guide helped you understand which camera might fit your lifestyle best. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like, subscribe, and stay tuned, because in just a few days I will publish a very special travel episode that you definitely don't want to miss. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Cheers. Bye.